Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Whether you're a hopeless romantic or think it's all a big mushy Hallmark holiday, stick around. We're diving into everything Valentine's Day, the history, fun facts and ideas to spice things up. Let's get started. First up, let's talk history. The ancient Romans were known for their grand celebrations and festivals, many of which have influenced our modern holidays. Valentine's Day goes way back to ancient Rome. It wasn't always about chocolates and roses. In fact, it has roots in a much older tradition. There was this festival called Lupercalia, a big matchmaking lottery in February. During Lupercalia, young men would draw the names of women from a jar, and they would be paired together for the duration of the festival, sometimes even longer. And there's a legend about Saint Valentine, a Roman priest who performed secret marriages for soldiers. Emperor Claudius II had banned marriages for young men, believing single men made better soldiers. Valentine defied this decree. He became a symbol of love and sacrifice. According to the legend, Valentine was executed for his defiance, but his legacy lived on. Over time, he became associated with the romantic holiday we know today. Now let's move on to how people around the world celebrate this day of love. From exchanging cards and gifts to romantic dinners and grand gestures, Valentine's Day has become a global phenomenon, celebrated in unique ways across different cultures. Valentine's Day is celebrated differently around the world. In the US, it's all about romantic gestures, candlelit dinners, bouquets of red roses and chocolates. In Japan, ladies give chocolates, and a month later, guys return the favor with extravagant gifts. South Korea has multiple days dedicated to love throughout the year. Did you know that over 145 million Valentine's Day cards are exchanged every year, and teachers receive the most Valentines? Over 36 million heart-shaped boxes of chocolates are sold each year. The tradition of giving flowers dates back to the 17th century, so there you have it. Valentine's Day is full of surprises. Now, let's talk about couple goals. Building a strong relationship takes effort, but it's incredibly rewarding. Communication is key. Talk, listen, and share your feelings. Open and honest communication helps you understand each other better and resolve conflicts more effectively. Make time for each other, even if it's just a few minutes every day. These small moments of connection can strengthen your bond and show your partner that they are a priority in your life. Put down your phones, turn off the TV, and be present. Being fully present with your partner shows that you value your time together and are committed to nurturing your relationship. Plan a regular date night. It doesn't have to be fancy. Go for a hike, try a new restaurant, or simply enjoy each other's company. These special moments help keep the romance alive, or cuddle up and watch a movie. Sometimes the simplest activities can bring the most joy and create lasting memories. Relationships take work, but the rewards are worth it. Working together on projects or hobbies can bring you closer and help you appreciate each other's strengths and talents. Keep the love alive, folks. Celebrate your love with small gestures, thoughtful surprises, and by always showing appreciation for one another. Remember, love is a journey, not a destination. Valentine's Day may come once a year, but keep the spark alive all year round. It's not just about grand gestures, it's the little things that count. Every day is an opportunity to show your partner how much you care. Surprise each other with little gestures. These small acts of love can make a big difference. A simple note saying "I love you" or a small gift can brighten your partner's day and remind them of your affection. Leave a sweet note, bring their favorite coffee, or surprise them with tickets to a show. These thoughtful actions show that you're thinking about them and care about their happiness. It's these moments that build a strong foundation for your relationship. Make time for intimacy, both physical and emotional. Intimacy is not just about physical closeness, it's about connecting on a deeper level. Have meaningful conversations, share your dreams and fears, and be vulnerable with each other. Share your secrets and be there for each other. Trust and communication are key to a lasting relationship. When you open up to your partner, you create a bond that is hard to break. Never stop dating each other, even after years together. Keep the excitement alive by going on regular dates. Whether it's a fancy dinner or a simple walk in the park, spending quality time together is essential. Go on dates, try new things, and never take each other for granted. Exploring new activities together can bring you closer and create lasting memories. It's important to keep the relationship fresh and exciting. A little romance goes a long way. Plan a romantic dinner, watch the sunset together, or simply enjoy a quiet moment. These romantic gestures show your partner that they are loved and appreciated. Remember, love is in the details. That's a wrap on Valentine's Day, folks. From its wacky history to heartwarming traditions and couple goals, we've covered it all. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Have a love-filled Valentine's Day.